Hi, my name is Olavisi Kadri and I'll be presenting my exercise 4 for the running demo. And let's start with the ID and user ID. So you print out ID and user ID. And the next one is the login. So this is my login page and I can just say ABC and the password maybe DEF. And I click here to log in. It shows me your username is ABC and your password is DEF. So, and the last one is the help. So it just shows, no, I wanted it for name and age. Yeah. Oh, so it's going to be help. So it shows your name is John and you are 10 years old. Okay, I think that should be all. Thank you.